In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Calendar with your family, a useful feature for coordinating schedules and staying connected. Sharing your calendar allows your family members to view your schedule and helps everyone stay organized. Let's dive in and explore how to set this up step by step. First, open your web browser and go to your Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed into your Google account because you'll need access to your calendars. Once you're on the main calendar page, you'll notice a gear icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This gear icon represents the settings menu, which is what we'll need to access next, so go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings to open a new menu designed specifically for managing various aspects of your calendar. Now direct your attention to the bottom left section of your screen. Here you should see a list of your calendars. Find the specific calendar that you want to share with your family and click on it. This action will bring up a variety of settings related to that particular calendar. The section we're interested in is labeled Shared With. It's within this area that we'll add the people we want to share the calendar with. Next, click on the button that says Add People and Groups. A text box will appear, prompting you to enter email addresses. Type in the email addresses of your family members one by one. Remember, accuracy is key here, so ensure that you have the correct emails to avoid any sharing mishaps. After entering the email addresses, look for a drop-down menu next to each entry. This is where you'll set the specific permissions for each person you're adding. You have a few different options to choose from depending on how much access you wish to grant. Options include See Only Free/Busy, which will hide details but show availability, and See All Event Details, which gives more thorough access. For even more control, you could allow family members to make changes to events, or even make changes and manage sharing. Choose the permission level that fits best for each person involved. Finally, once you've configured these settings and double-checked everything, simply click Send. An invite will then be sent to each email address you entered, notifying them of the shared calendar and its access level. Each recipient will need to accept your invitation to finalize the calendar sharing. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar is now set up to be shared with your family, making collaboration and schedule management a lot smoother. Thanks for joining me and happy scheduling.